Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 600 horsepower for our customer's 1970 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a brand new 4-bolt main dart block. We have all Ford steel internals in there, double roller timing chain, comp cams, roller lifter camshaft. Engine block is painted the Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. We have the correct front sump oil pan for the 1970 Mustang on there. Oil pressure extensions on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. We have the Edelbrock Victor Jr aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Cobra valve covers with the 427 badges. Distributor set in place. Aluminum intake manifold. We have the Holley Sniper Efi 2 fuel injection system on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. We'll set up the menu screen on the Holley Sniper Efi system. We'll dial everything in, be all set, plug and play for the customer. We have the Cobra air cleaner on there. We have the standard flywheel on there, proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford. Pilot bearings in there, all set. I will be installing the starter index plate after the test here for the customer. The proper one will be on there. We have the fuel pressure, external fuel pressure regulator on here with the fuel pressure gauge. We'll set the fuel pressure to 60 psi for the Holley Sniper Efi. Fuel return right here goes right back to the gas tank. That's the hookup right there. Customer wanted to braid it PCV and braided fuel line on there. We hooked all that up, put all the proper AN fittings on there. PCV valves installed. We got the Taylor ignition wires, main USA in black. The chrome dipstick and tube. This is the polished Wraptor pulley kit with a self-tensioning belt tensioner. Has a heavy-duty 8-rib serpentine belt. AC compressors on there. Correct thermostat housing for the 1970 Mustang. High-flow thermostat. Coolant bypass hose. We have the proper water pump on there, standard rotation. Customer wanted the lower hose on the passenger side, so that is the proper high-flow water pump. 160 amp, one-wire hookup alternator. Power steering pumps on there. We'll have the proper fitting in the back there so you can use this original factory line. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. The Holley Sniper Efi will set the menu screen up. We'll set the idle. We set the ignition timing. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know this engine is 100% perfect. Make sure there's no leaks. So there you have it. 427 Ford dart block, 600 horsepower for our customer's 1970 Mustang. Thanks for watching.